In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add domain in your Microsoft 365 Admin Center on step-by-step guide, M365 Tutorial 2026. Before we begin, make sure you have admin access, you own the domain, and you can sign in to your DNS provider. Start by signing into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with an admin account. On the left pane, select Show All to expand. Go to Settings, then Domains. Choose Add Domain. When prompted, type the domain you already own, just the root, no HTTP or www, and select Use this domain. Before Microsoft can connect it, you need to verify ownership. You'll see three verification methods: add a TXT record to your DNS, add an MX record, or upload a text file to your website. The TXT record is generally the quickest and safest because it won't disrupt existing mail. The MX option can work too, but avoid it if production email is already live on another service. The website file method is handy if your DNS provider is limited, but it requires access to your web hosting. After you complete one method at your domain host, return to the wizard and choose Verify. Once verification passes, you'll be guided to point core services to Microsoft 365, so email and Teams reach the right place. Select Add Your Own DNS Records. The wizard will list every record you need, typically an MX record for mail flow, CNAME and TXT records for services and security, and SRV records for Teams and Skype infrastructure. Copy these values exactly at your registrar or DNS host. If you see a TTL field, the default value is fine. Just be consistent. When you've saved the records with your provider, come back to the Admin Center and click Continue or Verify. DNS changes can take time to propagate, often a few minutes, but in some cases longer, so don't worry if it doesn't flip immediately. You can refresh the page or check back later. When the domain status shows a green check mark and reads healthy, setup is complete. From here, you can start changing users' primary email addresses to the new domain in the Admin Center. Update a test user first, confirm mail is delivered, and Teams signs in, then roll out to the rest of your organization. That's it. You've added a domain, verified ownership, and configured DNS for Microsoft 365. Pause the video as needed while you work through your registrar screens and keep the wizard open to avoid typos.